Welcome to the class. Let's start one word a day.
If you're looking to expand your English vocabulary in a simple and fun way, you're in the right place. Every day, we'll introduce a new word, break down its meaning, and show you how to use it in real-life examples. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your skills, learning just one word a day will help you grow your vocabulary and speak with confidence. Hit subscribe and let's start building your English one word at a time. Let's take a closer look at the word graffiti and break it down so you can learn the pronunciation, meaning, and how to remember it more easily. Graffiti. You can break it down into three parts. Like the start of grumpy.
Fee.
Like the word fee, a cost.
T.
Like a t-shirt. So it's pronounced graffiti. The emphasis is on the second syllable. Meaning and usage. Graffiti refers to writings, drawings, or paintings made on public surfaces, usually walls, often done with spray paint. It's often created without permission, so some people view it as vandalism, while others see it as street art. Examples? The subway walls were covered with graffiti. People call graffiti street art. She was arrested for spraying graffiti on a public building. How to visualize it? You can imagine a cat holding a spray can, happily painting a colorful mural on a brick wall. Summary. Pronunciation. Gra-fi-ti, stress on fi. Meaning, drawings or writings on public walls, often made with spray paint. Memory tip. Think of spray paint plus walls equals graffiti.
Meow.
Did you enjoy class? Tap that like button, subscribe, and come learn with me every day.